A resort hotel is a type of hotel that provides a full-service vacation experience in a single location, often in a scenic or leisure-oriented setting such as a beach, mountain island, or countryside. Key features of a resort hotel: recreational facilities, pools, golf courses, tennis courts, water sports, ski slopes, etc. Spa and wellness centers, massage, yoga, fitness, and relaxation services. Dining options, multiple restaurants, bars, and sometimes all-inclusive meal plans. Entertainment, live shows, music, cultural performances, and kids' activities. Excursions and activities, guided tour, adventure sports, and nature walks. All-inclusive packages, accommodation, food, drinks, and activities included in one price. Typical locations: beachfronts, for example, Maldives, Bali; mountains, for example, Swiss Alps, Colorado; islands, for example, Hawaii, Caribbean; natural attractions, for example, near national parks. Ideal for families on vacation, honeymooners and couples, tourists seeking relaxation and leisure, corporate retreats or destination weddings. Examples include Club Med, Sandals Resorts, and Four Seasons Resort. Resort hotels focus on relaxation, entertainment, and luxury, often eliminating the need for guests to leave the property.